Okay, wait. This is where I messed up. Don't cut your hair like this. Please learn from me. Okay, we need to have story time. I am going to do the big chop. I am so nervous, y'all. But it has to happen. So, a lot has been going on these past few months. Well, the past year. It's been a lot going on. I decided that I wanted to get a pixie cut. I permed my hair, y'all. I haven't had a perm in over 13 years. And I was so determined to get it. I was so determined to just chop all my hair off. But I put the perm in my hair and I did not take care of my hair. So my hair has been breaking off like really, really bad. When you're going through a lot in your personal life, like a lot has changed. A lot has changed. Like y'all see, look at this. Look. You see how bad this is? It has to go. I just wasn't taking care of it. And then I decided that I didn't want a pixie anymore. And I already permed my hair. Well, I'm gonna start this new thing and I'm gonna chop off all of my hair and then we're just gonna go through this healthy journey together and see where we are by the end of the year. So I actually think I'm just going to wet my whole head. That way it's easier to see where I need to cut, but I just want to show y'all what it looks like right now. Look, y'all see this? Compared to what my hair used to be, it's been a lot going on. Look at this. Y'all, I am just, because I know I'm going to shape it up better. You do not have to cut your hair like this. This is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial, but I just wanted to show me cutting my hair. I'm going to cut some more, but because cutting my hair is also cutting out all the trauma that I've had for this past year and a half. Okay. Okay. Shaking, y'all. And these are hair scissors. Oh my gosh. I'm just cutting it and I'm gonna even it out later. Wow. Like the permed ends, y'all. It had to go. Oh my gosh. I just need to like shape it up and see how I could wear like a TWA. All right, y'all. So washed, conditioned it. I haven't seen my hair in this state in a very long time. So I decided to blow dry it just to see where we was at, y'all. This is where I knew I messed up. And this is how you know I'm stressed out because why did I cut it like that? Why did I cut it like that? I was just cutting. Crazy. in disbelief, but it is okay because I'm gonna clean it up. But yeah, it's just been a lot going on. I moved. I'm not in a relationship anymore. I have another full-time job. Like I'm trying to juggle everything with that. And of course, Amara. I will have to do a video on her because y'all have not seen her in a very long time. And y'all, she is 5 years old now. Can you believe it's been 5 years since I had my miracle baby? She's absolutely amazing. This is me just trying to cut my hair more evenly. I think I did a pretty good job. You'll see in a few minutes how I shape it and everything. I've done a few styles since I've recorded this video, but I've had these faux locks in my hair and I've had them in for almost 2 months. Y'all know I never keep a style in that long. That's how you know your girl was going through it. But I will record me taking them out, how to cut them out without cutting your hair, and everything like that. I just really wanted to check in and give y'all some updates, and that I'm going to start this healthy hair journey and start posting more for y'all. But let me know what you think, y'all. Please comment, say hello. It's been so long since I've been on here, but this is the final result. Let me know what you think about the shape. It looks so much healthier than what it did at first. I had to let go of the permed ends. But also, because I am going to start recording more, let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. Would you like more videos on how to style short hair? Do you want more protective style videos? I'm going to be doing more mom videos because Amara is, she is a trip. And I really just want y'all to see your internet cousin and how much she has grown throughout these years. But thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do that, and I will talk to y'all later.